So I got 6 million views on one Facebook video, and Facebook paid me $1,161.39. Comes out to roughly $194 per 1 million views. But before you guys start calculating how much Facebook is going to actually pay you for a million views, there's something that you need to know. Sorry to break it to you, but Facebook does not pay a set amount per million views. So here are my actual results. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And for those of you who are new here, welcome. As you guys know, here on my channel, I create absolutely free videos that is going to help you grow and excel your online business as a content creator for absolutely free. So if you haven't yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Not really for me, but for you guys, so you're not missing any of these free videos that is going to actually help you grow and boost your income online. Again, it's absolutely free. That's why you need to subscribe and turn on notifications. This exact video got me 6 million views, 78,000 reactions, comments, and shares, 2,960 new followers, and approximately $1,161.31 in earnings. The part where most creators become confused is that my RPM, which is rate per million views, is not going to be the same as your RPM. And this just goes with every social media platform, not Facebook. This is where I feel like a lot of you guys are getting confused. Might see some creators on Facebook get a million views and only make a few $100s, while another creator could get a million views and make thousands of dollars. There are different things that is going to affect how much your content actually earns. Things such as the type of audience you have, where your viewers are located, advertisers' demand, the type of content you are posting, and how Facebook is actually able to monetize on your content. So I would never actually look at someone's earnings and think to myself, oh, this creator made this amount of views, so I can do the same thing and make the same amount of money, because that's just not how it works. Even as a creator, our own post does not earn the same amount of money. I could post a reel today and it gets millions of views, but it won't make the same amount of money from the reel that I posted yesterday. It's never the same amount of money. That's exactly why I need you guys to stop, take a step back, and stop paying so much attention to your views. So, yes, this video did bring me in $1,000, but it also brought me in 3,000 new followers. And that's huge because now I have 3,000 new people who are able to see my content. Those 3,000 new people, they're now able to follow me on other platforms like here on YouTube. They're able to look into and potentially buy my digital products and courses, able to click my affiliate links and shop the products I'm recommending, and then I'm earning commissions from that. They are now officially a part of my community. So when my videos go viral, I'm not just paying attention to how much Facebook is going to be paying me. I'm also asking myself before I post this video, what is it going to do for my business? If it goes viral, is it able to convert more people onto my page? Because those 6 million views can potentially be worth more than that $1,000 that Facebook paid me just for posting that video. So here's exactly what you guys need to be focused on when you're posting on Facebook. Your goal should not be to make millions of views. You need to focus on creating original content that people actually want to watch. And you need to be consistently creating original content. Content that people actually want to watch, share, and engage with. And then you need to be paying attention to your analytics. If a certain type of content performs well, then you want to rinse and repeat that content. If a topic keeps getting you views, keep talking about it. Don't need to keep posting viral content. You just need enough content that is going to continue working for you. This is so you won't have to continue to rely and depend on getting a viral video in order to produce income. So if you've ever wondered how much Facebook actually pays for a million views, there's your answer. But I need you guys to also understand that that amount is not set in stone. Well, that amount is not where your earning ends. If I post a video and I get 6 million views and it only makes me $1,000, but I'm also getting people to purchase my $300 course, chances are I'm going to surpass that $1,000 for just posting that content, because I'm also offering digital products and courses to those same people. Facebook content monetization is not where your earning ends. It's not supposed to be the all for one, you guys. I really need you guys to stop focusing so much on getting paid just to post and actually work on turning content creation and being an influencer into a actual business. Once you start treating being a content creator as a business, it will start to pay you as a business. If you treat it as a hobby, then it will pay you as a hobby, which is only going to be occasionally. That's going to be it for today's video. If you guys have any questions pertaining to the Facebook content monetization program, go ahead and drop the questions in the comments, and I'll go ahead and create videos for you guys to answer those questions for you for absolutely free. So that's going to be it for today's video. I'll catch you guys on next week's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Peace and much love. Bye, guys.